Hi friends, let me show you this new chest bag for men that I got for reviewing purposes. It's really practical, really useful because you can put a lot of stuff here. You can even have your buds here. You put them inside, okay, and you connect them inside to your iPhone or whatever you are going to use them with, okay. You close this, and here you have different options, different compartments. You could put external battery, your wallet, whatever you want to bring with you. If you are going to be in a bicycle, if you are going to be hiking, if you are going to be doing whatever you do, okay, you can you will be able to walk, to use your hands, to go in your bicycle, to be hiking, to be maybe going up a rock or whatever, and you have your stuff secure here in your chest. You don't really have to use your hands just to get something from inside or put something new here, and you will have all the freedom to move and to do everything you want to do with your stuff safely secure here in this bag. I think it's really nice, it's really comfortable. So if you like to go outdoors, if you like to go out having some fun, or even if you work in different works that you are outside, you could be bringing something else here and doing some other jobs that you have to do with the freedom of having your hands free. This bag won't fall off. It's really nicely attached to you, and you can of course do these straps, have them larger or smaller depending on your chest size. Okay, so I really recommend it. Thank you.